This is I, Samra Ashfaq, head of the English department. On behalf of Chairperson Mrs. Aziz Fatima Naz, Managing Director Major Retired Syed Ijazur Rahman, Executive Directors Dr. Syed Kashif Ijaz and Dr. Syed Atif Ijaz, I would like to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of certificate distribution ceremony. Nicon Group of Colleges is enjoying an excellent reputation and established credibility in the field of management, marketing, IT, technical and vocational trainings, linguistics, a trusted name for trainings in Pakistan. This group is determined to continue striving hard for arranging and ensuring comprehensive opportunities for the students through its supportive learning environment. We are really honored to have the Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Farah Hamid today, the Chief Guest of this delighted evening. And this is the vibrant evening because of her pleasant performance. She is humble, she is gorgeous, she is polite, and I think I am short of words here. And a legend of Pakistan TV and film industry. She is an anchor person who conducts variety of programs on number of channels, PTV, ATV and various other channels. She has earned a great reputation in showbiz. She was the main host of the first IQBAL Gala, which was conducted in F9 Park, Islamabad. And she is actually the icon of Pakistan TV and film industry. One thing which I just came to know, she has been doing a lot of work as a volunteer with Islamabad and Motorway Police, and she kept on going there, she kept on hosting there, and she participated as a volunteer. And there are very few people in the country who just render their services and they are the volunteers. So give her a big round of applause, everyone. As she is icon actress of PTV Islamabad Center, her blockbuster and evergreen drama serial Remain Rishte. It's a privilege really to have her as chief guest of today's program. Let me tell you about this event today. We all are gathered here. All of you took your time. You rehearsed. You kept on rehearsing for whole of the month, and you came here with zeal and zest and with enthusiasm. And I can see the energy and the efforts of the teacher, because when you are performing on the stage, I can see the faces, like the way they are praying for you, the way they are appreciating you, or the way they want you to perform the best. So basically this event is a true depiction of the initiative taken by Nicon Group of Colleges. This project is titled as Nicon Talent Hunt, which is primarily based on motivation, struggle and talent discovery. We are also working with the students who are very shy and they never got a chance to perform on the stage. So when they are coming here for the courses, all the teachers kept on working on their skills and they start discovering their talent. And they get a chance. Nicon is providing them a platform to prove themselves. And all these activities are monitored by the top management of Nicon Group of Colleges, SPO and PRO, National Highways and Motorway Police, Dr. Mahmood Ali Khokar, Media Supervisor, and Nicon Talent Hunt Supervisor. So all these activities are planned and they are aimed to build confidence of the students to encounter the challenges of this competitive world. So we are very proud of our students who have successfully completed their courses as well. And apart from it, today they are performing on the stage to prove their talent and to show that as we being Niconian, we dare to be different. So I really wish you to enjoy this beautiful, vibrant evening. And we all are here to celebrate your success. And today we are lucky enough to celebrate the presence of such a gorgeous legend of the country. So once again, give her a big